GAINS. You might have heard that acronym in your chapter, or maybe you've seen it on one of the reports that we send out every month. GAINS stands for Goals, Achievements, Interests, Networks and Skills. It's a suggested way to structure your one-to-ones to stimulate conversation. Going back to what makes BNI work: know, like and trust. Obviously you're going to get to know people because you turn up to a BNI meeting, you're going to have one-to-ones. Then we need to go to like, and there's no scientific way, right, to just like someone. You have to establish rapport somehow. So the reason GAINS is there is it's designed to stimulate conversation where you might find some common ground. First of all, share your goals in your business and in your personal life as well. You never know when someone might share a similar goal to you, and you might be able to build some empathy based on sharing your goals. A stands for achievements, things you're really proud of in your personal life and things you're really proud of in your business journey. Again, you might be able to share some common ground there. I stands for interests, and that's where GAINS really takes hold, because you might both be fanatical football fans of the same team, or you might really love tennis or golf, or maybe not a sport but some other interest. But by focusing on your personal interests, then you're really going to find that, hopefully, that common ground, which will allow you to deepen that relationship still further. N stands for networks, and of course, if you happen to share similar networks, or more interestingly, you might have a network which might be a great referral opportunity, that's a great way to take the conversation. If you know a particular group of people, a particular association, or maybe a sporting group or a professional network, that might be a great way to make introductions, and that's where the referrals starts to come. And then finally, skills. These might be core skills to your business, but they also might be rather unique or random skills that you've gained along your personal journey in life thus far. Might have absolutely nothing to do with your business. For instance, I'm a fully trained plasterer. I definitely don't do plastering anymore, but it's quite an interesting conversation starter, and it's just one of those quirky, unique things that gets people thinking. So that's a suggested way you might want to add a bit of structure to your one-to-ones, to add a bit of extra empathy building and really accelerate that trust, and also maybe walk away with some referrals.